Is your Moen kitchen sprayer weak, leaking, or completely stopped working? Before you run out and buy a whole new faucet, stop. Most Moen sprayer problems can be fixed in under 30 minutes with just a few basic tools. And the best part? Moen has one of the best warranties in the business. Today I'll show you exactly how to diagnose and repair your Moen faucet sprayer step by step. Let's get into it. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share easy DIY fixes that save you time, money, and stress around the house. Today we're focusing on something really specific, the Moen kitchen faucet sprayer. Whether it's dripping, spraying in all directions, or just not switching properly, I've got you covered. Stick around to the end because I've got a pro tip about Moen that could save you a lot of money. Part 1. Common Moen sprayer problems. So let's talk about what usually goes wrong. The most common issues with a Moen faucet sprayer are low water pressure, water not switching from the main faucet to the sprayer, leaking from the sprayer head or hose, or the sprayer button getting stuck. Almost all of these come down to three things: a clogged spray head, a worn-out diverter valve, or a damaged sprayer hose. Once you know which one it is, the fix is straightforward. Part 2. Tools you'll need. Here's what you'll want ready before you start: an adjustable wrench or pliers, a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, white vinegar for mineral buildup cleaning, a replacement Moen sprayer head or hose, if needed. Always use Moen-compatible parts, plumber's grease to lubricate seals, a towel or small bucket for drips, and Teflon tape for any threaded connections. Part 3. Check the sprayer head first. Before you take anything apart, start with the simplest fix. Unscrew the sprayer head from the hose by turning it counterclockwise. Look at the small screen or aerator inside. If you see white or green mineral buildup, that's your problem right there. Drop the sprayer head in a bowl of white vinegar and let it soak for 30 minutes. Then rinse it out, screw it back on, and test it. You'd be surprised how often this one simple step completely solves the problem. Part 4. Shut off the water. If cleaning the sprayer head didn't solve it, it's time to go deeper. Shut off the water supply valves under your sink. Turn both the hot and cold valves clockwise until they stop. Then turn the faucet on to release any remaining pressure. Keep your towel handy because there's always a little water left in the lines. Part 5. Check and replace the sprayer hose. Now look under the sink and trace the sprayer hose from the spray head down to where it connects to the faucet body. Check the entire length of the hose for cracks, kinks, or worn spots. A damaged hose is a very common cause of leaking or low pressure. If you find damage, unscrew the hose from both ends, the sprayer head and the faucet connection, and take it to the hardware store to match the replacement. Moen replacement hoses are widely available and usually very affordable. Part 6. Inspect and replace the diverter valve. If your sprayer has low pressure or water isn't switching properly between the faucet and the sprayer, the diverter valve is usually the culprit. The diverter sits inside the faucet body and controls where the water goes. Here's the pro tip. On most Moen faucets, you can access the diverter by removing the spout. Lift or unscrew the spout, and you'll see the diverter sitting right underneath. Pull it out, rinse off any mineral buildup, and inspect the rubber seal. If it's cracked or flattened, replace it with a Moen-compatible diverter. Apply a little plumber's grease before reinstalling, and it'll work like new. Part 7. Reinstall and reconnect everything. Once you've replaced or cleaned whatever needed attention, put everything back together. Reconnect the sprayer hose to the faucet body. Use Teflon tape on the threads for a watertight seal. Reattach the sprayer head and make sure it's snug but not over-tightened. Then turn your water supply back on slowly and check every connection point for drips before you're done. Part 8. Test the sprayer. Now for the moment of truth. Turn on the faucet and test the sprayer. Press the button and check that water switches cleanly from the faucet to the sprayer. Check the spray pattern. It should be strong and even. Wiggle the hose gently and watch for any drips at the connection points. If everything looks good, you're done. Part 9. Bonus tip. Here's something most people don't know. Moen offers a limited lifetime warranty on most of their faucets. If your sprayer parts are defective, you might be able to get free replacement parts directly from Moen just by calling their customer service line or visiting their website. Always check this before spending money at the hardware store. It could save you the cost of the repair entirely. And that's it. Your Moen faucet sprayer is back in action, and you did it all yourself. No plumber, no unnecessary replacement. Just a smart DIY fix that saved you time and money. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more easy home fixes. And share this with anyone dealing with a frustrating kitchen sprayer. Drop a comment below and tell me what you want me to cover next. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.